Hey guys, it's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How's everybody doing out there today? Okay guys, I want to talk to you today about two of my recommended digital products, information products, if you will, or online internet marketing products / training. Okay, so if you're looking for instant payments, upfront cash flow, without waiting on a paycheck to come in the mail, these are my top two recommended products. Okay, Fearless Momma and Easy One Up. Okay, so we'll start with Easy One Up. Okay, let me go up a little bit here. I got some notes for you. Easy One Up came out, I believe, like July or October, somewhere in that area of 2018. Created by TAMMY Montgomery, and it's a great training resource. Education is what I like to call it. If you're looking for a way to make money online, this is a great course. Basically, it's evergreen training. Every week you're able to make $250 instant payments, receive $250 instant payments with this. It comes completely set up. It's pretty much a business in a box. They have everything set up for you. It's instant setup once you pay. There's 2 capture pages you can select from. Other than that, it's all set up. The only thing you need to do is select the way you want to receive your payments, whether you want to get them through Stripe, Authorized.net, or PayPal. I don't recommend PayPal because there's been some issues with them. But that's it. It's pretty much set up already. There's no Passups with this one. No administration fee. No monthly fees, guys. And it comes pretty much already in a box, ready to rock and roll and just start promoting. What I like is they have the weekly live training that you can jump on. That live training, and if you miss it, it's recorded and it'll be in your back office. So it's a great place to get educated on how to make money online. Everything you need is included. The traffic sources are included, so you don't have to wonder, well, how do I get people over to my website? That's already included for you as well. You don't have to guess on that. Okay, so it comes with 7 modules of training, okay, and some extra bonuses. And you can see that once you go to this website here. I recommend going to fearlesslaptoplife.com and check it out, okay. But it's a simple system. All we're asking for with this one is just the email address. Okay, your job is just to get people over to your page, and the system will do all the selling and telling for you. Okay, and we've got lots of testimonies with it, and we got a great Facebook group that's live as well and very interactive. It comes with 2 capture pages, and autoresponder is included. If you like, you can add Aweber with it. Okay, so that's an option. But if you just want to get started, you don't have to worry about an autoresponder. It's already included. Okay, so again, $250 to get started with that. Period. No extra fees, no monthly fees. Okay. Now, the second one is Easy One Up. Now, with this, I recommend. Of course, Easy One Up comes with other levels, but the way I'm marketing it is you come in at the Fearless Momma, okay, and then when you get ready to upgrade and make bigger commissions. For digital marketing and training, come in with Easy One Up, the $500 level, the $1,000 level, the $2,000 level. Okay, that's how I recommend it. Come in at those levels, okay? But you get all your training in the Fearless Momma, all right? So this is an instant pay as well. You get paid instant with it. It's an all-in-one system as well. Easy One Up has 3 capture pages with it. But what I'm using is the Vertex lead system as my marketing system. Okay, and I'll put the link below for that as well. But the Vertex lead system is a full automated turnkey marketing system that promotes Easy One Up and SMS texting. Okay, so that's what I use with it. But that's an option. Okay, $97 one time for that if you're interested. Okay, you can go there with profitwithpandora.com and check it out. Now you wonder, well, how do I promote this? Of course, we're going to show you that. It's all in the back office. But I'm just going to point out some ways here for you. Solo ads, okay, of course. Placing ads, classified ads. Text message marketing, and I recommend Press 1 Cash. You can call this number here. to test it out, see how it works, and I recommend SMS phone leads or SMS lead network. Any of those techniques, as far as texting is concerned, that's how you want to do that. Those are the ones I recommend. And of course, for free, you got video marketing and you got social media. That's free, guys. Okay. Now let's talk about press 1. You can call this number here, 678-932-0152, and get a free demo of it. Okay. And with this one, you're going to have a pre-recorded message. When someone calls your number, you'll have your own phone number, and they hear the recorded message. If they're interested, they're going to press 1, and then it's going to send them your actual website to go to check it out. And that one's $297 one time, but you'll make $200 per sign up. Okay, you pass up your first sale. After that, you qualify to receive the $200 over and over. Okay. And then the SMS phone leads, I recommend the blaster. If you're interested in sending text messages, you can send 200 a day to 200 mobile leads. It's $20 for the system one time, and you're going to pay $33 a month to be able to send those 200 text messages a day. And you're looking at, that's about 6,000 text messages a month. Okay, so that's pretty powerful, and you can check it out at mobilemoney.ws. Okay, and then of course, the total texting platform, okay, a turnkey marketing texting platform would be the SMS lead network. Go check it out at mobilemarketing.ws. This one's $197 one time, and you make $100 per sale. Your first sale is passed up, but with this one you can text to over 1,000 people a day. Okay, this is the real deal platform, because you can actually load all your phone number leads into this system here and text to them as often as you like. Okay, so excuse me, when it comes to digital marketing, as I stated, these are the 2 programs I recommend. So if you're looking for that instant pay and you truly want to learn how to market and learn internet marketing online, these are the 2 I recommend, the Fearless Mama and Easy One Up. Okay, so of course I've got some good special bonuses for you if you join these 2, and we can discuss that when you give me a call. Okay, so what I want you to do now, guys, is just go ahead and click that link below. Okay, I'm gonna put all these links below so you can go check out these programs. Okay, and I'll put my information below, so if you have any questions, feel free to give me a call, but make sure you go ahead and subscribe. Click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so you can be notified when I upload new videos. Okay, and let me also, and I'll have my information as far as my number below as well. Okay, so you can go there and give me a call. So again, these are the ones I recommend for online internet marketing. Okay, so until next time, guys, I will see you in the next video. You guys have a blessed day.